Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So I'm going to talk about the three software development openings across companies, and these are valid for experience as well as the freshers, right? So let's first start with the first company. So the first company is called Funds and Patel, right? A lot of students would have heard already of FNP. It is also e-commerce portal. So you can see you can order a lot of things which are related with Diwali gifts or birthday gifts, cakes, flowers, everything in from this e-commerce portal. It's very popular in India. And talking about this, it's a very big size company. So 23-24 revenue was 700 crores. Now this company is 1000 crores plus, and operating revenue is 705 crores. And the most biggest business they get from the gifting solutions, gifts, right? The 640 crores from gifts and cakes only. So that is a big size company which is growing at more than 15% rate, right? So now they have the position open called digital illustrator, right? You see they are looking for digital illustrator experience, 0 to 2 years of experience in creating compelling illustrations and digital artwork, right? Basically on their you see cake or packaging. So develop original illustrations and digital artwork for product packaging and merchandise, selling it. You have to translate conceptual ideas into visual narratives that reflect brand values, emotions, product actions. So fnp dot portal web portal complete you have to manage. It's and then collaborate with design team, marketing team, category product teams, right, to design visual narratives. So it's more of a UI UX job, right? UI, user illustration design jobs. Adapt illustration styles for different mediums, print, web, packaging, and physical products. And then maintain consistency in visual tone while publishing creative boundaries with characters, patterns, and typographics and cultural motifs, right? So key skills what they are looking is you should have good grasp of color theory, composition, form, and characteristics, and proficiency in tools like Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, or similar software. Versatile among modern ethnic pop culture, everything inspired, right? Cakes, gifting solutions. You should have a strong conceptual thinking with the ability of visually interpret emotions, themes, and narratives, right? Experience in lifestyle, gifting, fashion, design, D2C packaging design is advantage. So this position is based out of location Gurgaon. They are asking for 0 to 2 years experience on site, 5 days a week, and this is full time employment. If you are interested, you can send your CVs at careers@fnp.com, firmsandpetal.com, right? So that is how you can apply for this position. Now I am talking for the job number two, which is for the company called Riverline AI. So as the name suggests, this is in the artificial intelligence industry, and they are basically creating win-win solutions for debt resolution. Debt means loans. So they have solutions in the loan resolution for banks and the borrowers, right? So basically they help in increasing recovery rates or the loan collection, right? So that is their main software product, and Riverline is hiring full stack AI engineers. So Riverline is full stack AI engineer in debt collection agency. So what you will do is you will help design the core logic that powers every conversation between the loan taker and the loan giver, right? And tracks every promise and drives collections at scale, and they collect the money from the so that is the purpose of their software. So they are offering very good packages for the software engineers in the range of 20 to 35 lakhs, and this job location is Bangalore and is available for immediate joining. Reach out to this email ID jayant@riverline.ai if you have any queries or you want to apply for this job. Now this is the third position. This is with the company called LTI Mindtree. As you know, so this is part of the L&T group. So L&T Mindtree, as you know, is an Indian multinational software services company, and which is in consulting space and based out of Mumbai, and they have operations across world, right? So they have 81,000 employees in LTI Mindtree, and it is one of the top 10 IT services company in India. So you can understand LTI as at a revenue of 39,000 crore approximately, and operating income is also very good, 6,000 crores, and total assets is up to the limit of 30,000 crores. So it's a big size top 10 IT services company in India, and they are looking some different type of skills. If you qualify for any one of the skill, you can apply for that particular category. You don't need to have all the skills, right? Only one or two of them, if you are there, you can apply. Data architects, data modelers, they are looking for Power BI, Tableau skill, data skill sets, Azure, Databricks, and ADF. And if you are worked on any cloud platform, AWS, which is Amazon Web Services, data engineers, architects, GCP, if you have worked, Snowflake, any of the data, if you are interested in job, you have any exposure to any data technologies, and any of this Informatica, or even if you have some combination of data with Python plus PySpark, even if you're in testing part of it, you can ETL testing for the data. So anything related with data, any profile, any certifications, you can apply. But this is not the fresher role. This is for the minimum 3 years of experience is mandatory for this, and this you can apply through this email ID, which is tapabrata.sarkar at the lntmindtree.com. So directly all these openings you can apply through email itself, and attaching your resume and submitting to this particular email, and you will get the basically call for any interview and so on. So that's all I have to cover in this video. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates on all the openings across India.